Hi guys, myself, Siddhartha, and I welcome you to my channel.
Hello, myself Jessica. Today we are going to discuss about the word abolish.
So, without any further delay, let's get started. Meaning of the word abolish in English means do away with or put to an end.
Meaning of the word abolish in Hindi means
समाप्त करना या फिर अलग करना.
So guys, let's understand this word by framing some sentences. 1. He wished to control, not to abolish them. 2. Many people fought to abolish slavery during the Civil War. 3. Various efforts were made during the Middle Ages to abolish the Feast of Fools.
Thank you Siddharth for explaining me. Guys, I hope you have also understood the meaning of abolish in Hindi, as well as in English language.
This is for today, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned and subscribe to our channel for more such interesting videos. Thanks for watching.
Bye bye.